Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Now I will show you how to make really good potato donuts. First of all, prepare the ingredient first. Now and then you must prepare material A. 500 grams of high protein flour. Number 2, 50 grams of powdered milk, 100 grams of sugar, 11 grams of yeast, 200 grams of steamed potatoes, pure and chill, 75 grams of butter, 1 teaspoon salt, 4 egg yolks, and then 100 ml of cold water. Material B, 80 grams of butter, and 1 teaspoon salt. Now, how to make? Number 1, the first mix flour, sugar. Mix flour, sugar, powdered milk, and yeast mix well. Enter the soft sweet potato, egg yolk, and cold milk until smooth and half smooth. Second, add butter and salt. Knead again until smooth elastic. Let's stand for 15 minutes. Number 3, divide the dough for 45 grams. Each spread the dough, divide into 3 sides, then form braids. Let's stand for about 20 minutes. Prepare a frying pan, pour the oil, turn on the stove over medium heat, which tend to be low. And then take the dough and fry one side until brown. The turn on remove, just turn it over so it does not absorb much oil. Cool, sprinkle with powdered sugar and ready to serve. And selamat mencoba. Thank you very well. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.